Alright, I'm going to try another video today. This is more of a product demonstration. Of course, this is a review. I bought this myself from an auto parts store. And I'm going to try this Meguiars Air Refreshener. Essentially, I think it's you put it in the car for 15 minutes, where basically just like, I guess how the instructions go. Start the car, put the air conditioning, recirculate, and then put this in the car, pull the trigger, leave the car basically sealed up for 15 minutes while it basically sprays. And then after the 15 minutes, let it air out for 15 minutes. And it should, it's supposed to deodorize and leave a new car scent. The reason I'm trying this is if PT has had a chronic issue with cigarettes. Whoever had the car before us, I think, smoked. And unfortunately, the fabric in the top, I think, captured a lot of it. I've vacuumed, I've cleaned pretty much from front to back. I've tried different carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning. I've left coffee open, or I've read suggestions about leaving coffee in the car and done that. Dryer sheets, things of that nature, and it still comes back. So we're gonna give this a shot. All right, as per the instructions, let's go ahead and start this up. Okay, and fan on high, recirculate, and then air conditioning on, and we'll see how it goes. I'll probably have to have two hands to deploy this. It's supposed to be in the back seat, between the front and back seat, so we'll see how it goes for 15 minutes. We should be done with the spraying. Be right back. Not sure if you can see it, but you can see it spraying in there, so we'll let it do its thing. You can kind of smell it out here, actually, so basically back away from the car. Just make sure your dashboard vents are open. And we'll let it run for 15 minutes and then open her up. Well, if I can get a word in edgewise between the barking dogs. So this is done. I mean, I've had it about 10 minutes. I closed the door so the dogs wouldn't get inside. So you definitely smell more of a perfumey scent. So I'm assuming that kind of wears off after a while. At least that's what the review I read said. So we shall see what happens. If it actually seems like it got positive reviews. I put the can right in the floor right there. So I'll let you know. We're about to get ready to put this thing away for winter anyway, since we're getting into October. I typically put it in storage mid to late October, so it'd be nice to get it kind of cleaned up and ready for its winter hibernation. So anyway, thought I'd give it a try. I tried other things, and the stuff that typically should work didn't, and I think it has to do with the canvas. The fabric in the top is what's kind of keeping it in, or holding the odor. So we'll see what happens if this actually gets rid of it, or if it masks it for a period of time. I don't really smoke, and unfortunately, when I bought the car, the guy who was selling it had the window, or the top down pretty much all the time. And that's when I test drove it. And then when I went to pick it up, it wasn't that bad, but when it sits out in the sun, it really does smell like cigarette smoke. And it's been like that for a while. So I'll give this a try and see what happens, if it gets rid of it or not. Anyway, talk to everybody later.